Alright YouTube, what's going on? Little nighttime video. I'm trying this a different way. I'm filming from the camera app on my iPhone because apparently if you can use a flash on the YouTube app or not, if you can, I haven't found out how to do it. Anyway, little quick updates. My Ion 2, perfect as usual. I actually drove it out in this ish today. But the Ion 3 is in need of a windshield. So you can see the crack right here. It goes all the way up. If it'll focus. Come on, camera. It goes all the way up and then across. And then if you come over here, it's like really bad. Anyway, so that's gonna be a big shout out to Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds and Sam Crack. I actually ordered a windshield for my Ion 3 yesterday. Through Safely Auto Glass. I'm paying for it out of pocket. Anyway, a big shout out to Randy and Sam Crack because they have sent me on the trail of Honey. Honey is a extension you can get for Google Chrome. It does like coupons and discounts and whatnot like that. So I put Honey on Google Chrome that I have on my Mac Mini, and using Honey like Randy did, Auto Auction Rebuilds, I think, and Sam Crack used it too. I got $20 off of the windshield for the Ion 3. So that's like huge. So instead of it being like $270 something or $280, it's like $259, $198 before tax and before the disposal and everything. And then they charge you $34 to come out, but that was amazing. So you can go to their channel. I don't have a link in mine. I'm not sure I did it for Honey. But you can go to Auto Auction Rebuilds or you can go to Sam Crack, either of their channels, and find the link for Honey. That's how I got it. So yeah, I saved $20 on the windshield for the Ion 3. That's coming to be done Friday. And then the Geo, you can't see it, but the Geo has heat now. Put the heater core in. However, has to have a thermostat. So again, I used Honey on Advance and saved $2 off the thermostat. So instead of the thermostat being $7, it was $5. So again, big shout out to, you can't see me because I can't turn it around with the camera app on the iPhone, but anyway, big shout out to Sam Crack and Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Go check those guys out. And thanks Honey. Like I say, just my first time using it, I saved $23. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's coming for the Ion 3. I'm gonna go get a couple cheap used tires. I found a shop near me that sells used tires. $30 a piece. So I need two, so $60 installed. So I will be doing that. And that needs an alignment, and then it's ready to go get plates and an inspection. So other than that, so I told you about, let's say about Honey. So yeah, and if you go to Auto Auction Rebuilds or Sam Crack, look at that 2003 Saturn fan sent you. Definitely subscribe to them if you're not already. They're always uploading great content and everything like that. So I guess I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.